Master your setup. How to pair a Firestick remote to your Chero TV. Getting your Firestick remote to talk to your TV is usually a seamless process, but every now and then, the tech gods demand a little extra effort. If you're using a Chero TV, a brand known for its value, pairing is straightforward once you know where the handshake happens. Here is your quick guide to getting back to your binge-watching schedule. Hammer and wrench the standard pairing method. Most Firestick remotes will pair automatically during setup. If yours is being stubborn, try this manual, force pair, method. 1. Check the batteries. It sounds cliché, but 90% of pairing issues are just low juice. Swap in fresh AAs before you start. 2. Get close. Move within 3 feet of your Firestick. 3. The 10-second hold. Press and hold the home button, the one with the house icon, for a full 10 to 15 seconds. 4. Watch the light. The LED on the top of the remote should start blinking amber. 5. Wait for the message. An on-screen notification will appear once the pairing is successful. TV controlling Chero TV volume and power. To use your Firestick remote to turn your Chero TV on, off or change the volume, you need to set up equipment control. 1. Go to settings on your Firestick home screen. 2. Select equipment control greater than manage equipment. 3. Select TV greater than change TV. 4. Search for Chero in the brand list. Pro tip: if Chero isn't listed, try selecting brand not listed, or try codes for TCL or Hisense, as many budget brands share the same internal infrared IR profiles. 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to test the volume buttons. Anti-clockwise arrows still not working? Try a reset. If the remote is totally unresponsive, a hard reset usually clears the glitch. 1. Unplug your Firestick from the power. 2. On the remote, press and hold the left button, menu button, and back button simultaneously for 12 seconds. 3. Release and wait 5 seconds. 4. Remove the batteries from the remote. 5. Plug your Firestick back in and wait for the home screen. 6. Reinsert the batteries and hold the home button again. Cell phone the emergency backup. If your remote is truly toast, download the Amazon Fire TV app on your smartphone. As long as your phone and Firestick are on the same Wi-Fi network, you can use your phone as a fully functional remote while you wait for a replacement. Hashtag Firestick tips, hashtag Chero TV, hashtag tech hacks, hashtag streaming guide, hashtag Fire TV, hashtag smart TV setup, hashtag Chero electronics, hashtag remote pairing.